Hello friends, in this video I will show you the top 70 in Seiko dive watches and the world. All watches product link were given and video description. If you have any question, please comment in the video section.
Samurai is someone who keeps on challenging. Calling all samurai facing the sea. Dive into the deep sea of concentration with your own tool of choice in hand.
The Seiko Prospex automatic diver is water resistant to 200 meters. Its angular stainless steel case and bracelet design features a black and orange one-way rotating bezel. The iconic orange dial displays a date calendar and large hands and markers, with Seiko's Lumi-Bright coating making it easy to read underwater. Seiko's 1968 automatic diver is reimagined in this 200-meter dive watch. It echoes the design of Seiko's first high-beat diver, but has a modern style with a thinner bezel and contemporary Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The stainless steel case and bracelet are constructed with super hard coating and a 3-fold clasp with push-button release. The Seiko Prospex Automatic Diver is a special edition PADI watch. Water resistant to 200 meters, its classic design features a stainless steel case and bracelet, and an exclusive red and blue rotating bezel. With Seiko's Lumi-Bright coating and large markers, the dial offers maximum legibility even deep underwater.
Prospex. The year was 1965. I was born as Japan's first diver's watch. Water resistance, shock resistance, legibility. Without these functions, a watch cannot be a true diver's watch. My creation was also a challenge in watchmaking. Just a few years later, I took a leap forward. I was reborn with a one-piece case that delivered greater water resistance.
Towards Oahu's North Shore, attracting surfers from all corners of the earth. When the angle is just right, those swells slam into the reef, and the water's got nowhere to go but up and out. When it all comes together, it's pure magic. It'll mesmerize you. I grew up watching this wave.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators.